Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to turn basically just a typical log into usable shakes, I guess these are called, to be used for siding or roofing or whatever you need. Basically these get installed something like this along your roof, go through and put another one about center on top like that, and so on and so forth, like this. And yeah, been used as shingle technology type of stuff forever. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how I go about doing that today. So this is another part of the log smoker building the roof, sheeting the roof, I guess. So let's get started. Each of these blocks to about roughly 8 inches tall each. I want these shakes to be about 8 inches. It's not really something that needs to be super specific by any means. Yeah, so typically people use what's called a splitting froe or a shake axe, but I don't have one of those available. Can't go anywhere to get one. So what I've been using is this Fisker's sickle thing. Sacrificial beaten stick. So basically what you want to do is start by looking at any natural cracks or anything in the logs, anything like that. You don't want to go against that because that's just going to fail there basically. And what I've been doing is starting from the outside, lining it up about a ½ inch or so, and away you go, and just rinse and repeat. planks. Typically, people make those out of cedar more often than pine. Pine's what I had available, and it was dry and ready to go. Basically, I've been sitting on those logs for who knows how long. So anyway, if you stay tuned, next episode we're going to be installing them. So we'll show you how to do that on our little log smoker there. Thanks for watching. Looks like I smashed the old beaten log here, so looks like we're gonna have to build another one of these.